Hello everyone. In this problem, a car moving at a speed of 36 km per hour is taking a turn on a circular road of radius 50 meter. A small wooden plate is kept on the seat with its plane perpendicular to the radius of the circular road. A small block of mass 100 gram is kept on the seat which rests against the plate. The frictional coefficient between the block and the plate is mu, which is 0.58. So we have to find number 1, find the normal contact force exerted by the plate on the block. Number 2, the plate is slowly turned so that the angle between the normal to the plate and the radius of the road slowly increases. Find the angle at which the block will just start sliding on the plate. So for the first part, let's say this is a plate and the block is residing like this, and this is moving with an angular velocity omega. Now at this particular point, the outward centrifugal force is mv square by r, and the normal force will be in the left hand side direction. So we have to calculate the normal force, which is nothing but equal to mv square by r. The mass is given as 100 grams, that means 0.1, into velocity is 36 km per hour, that means 10 meter per second. So that is 100 upon the radius is 50. So this will become n is equal to 0.2 Newton. So this is the solution for first part. Now for part B, now let's see, this is the distance or radius r. Initially the plate was like this. Now we have to rotate this plate in a particular angle such that the block will start sliding on this plate. So at that particular instance, let's say this is the block, the normal force will act in this direction. So if we extend that, let's say the normal is making an angle theta with the horizontal. So if this is theta, then this is also theta. The mv square by r will also act in the right hand direction. We'll divide this mv square by r component as mv square by r cos theta and mv square by r sin theta. If the block is just start sliding, then the frictional will be in the left hand side direction, right? And this is the required friction when the block is at stable position, and it is equal to mv square by r sin theta. And this should be greater than equal to mu times n to slide the block along the plate. Now mv square by r sin theta greater than equal to mu times n is mv square by r cos theta. So mv square by r will cancel out. So tan theta should be greater than equal to mu, or theta is greater than equal to tan inverse mu. The mu is 0.58. So that means theta is 30 degree. So at theta is equal to 30 degree, the block will start sliding along the plate. So this is the solution of this problem.